What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Strick with Svelte Training and Coach Grace, and we are here today making no-bake pumpkin balls. They're messy, they're gooey, but they are so delicious. So let's get into all these recipe ingredients. First, we have flax seeds. So flax seeds high in alpha-linoleic acid. You're using 2 tablespoons, gonna give you a nice crunch and nutty flavor. Also using 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. They look like little eggs. I say this all the time, so weird. Lots of protein you would never know in these tiny little black seeds. Then we're also using an allspice pumpkin spice. So all spices mixed together, plus something that's called allspice. I know it's confusing, but I'll go through it with you. So we have nutmeg, we have cinnamon, we have ginger, and it is mixed with allspice, and that's what you can buy at the store called pumpkin spice. Lots of spice names going on there. All you need to know.
How many times can you say spice?
That too. How many times? But all you need to know is that there are a lot of great spices in here, one of which being ginger and the other cinnamon, which help activate and boost your body's natural metabolism, plus reduce inflammation, having lots of antioxidant properties. So that's all I got. It's Grace's turn, and you.
Oh, thank you. So we'll be starting with the whole rolled oats.
You say that one 5 times.
Blah. That tastes like, or sounds like peanut butter coming off the tongue. Whole rolled oats, which have soluble fiber, a lot of beta glucan. They are great for helping to reduce your LDL cholesterol and keeping you fuller longer. So whole rolled oats, about a 1 1/4 cup of those. And then you want peanut butter. Peanut butter is the trifecta. It has carbs, fat, and protein all mixed into one ingredient. So,
And it jiggles.
yeah, look at that texture, right?
So good.
That's amazing. And it has also copper, manganese, B3, B6, and magnesium. So you are getting a lot of goods all in this one ingredient right here. It's also gonna hold all of this goodness together. So peanut butter, about a cup. This can vary based on if you want it a little stickier or if you want it a little drier, depending on the texture. And then finally the honey cinnamon, which this has cinnamon mixed into this honey. Honey is great for reducing inflammation. Cinnamon is great for helping to cut some cravings and maintain a healthy weight. And these 2 ingredients mixed together just complement each other super well. So tastes great also. We're gonna mix about 2 tablespoons of the cinnamon honey in as well. So
this is what we're gonna do all together, which makes it kind of crazy. What we're gonna do is start dumping in some of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients at the same time, because if you don't do that, you're gonna get a ball of peanut butter and then you're gonna try to mix in a bunch of stuff that doesn't really work that well. So we're going
we're about to get messy,
right? Then we're gonna go spices, and I'm gonna let Grace mix in. So the honey is gonna be like
sticky.
Just slow.
Super sticky.
Just get it.
Ooh, look at that drizzle.
Just trying to make you guys feel awkward, as Grace does, standing next to me all the time. You guys would think that we would get good at this. It's never easy. It's never easy to try and cook when you're actually just a regular person. Like, you're not that good at cooking, and then you're like, how am I gonna do all these ingredients? And I have to remember all these things. It gets overwhelming sometimes. The things I do for you guys and Grace. Then we're going chia seeds, make a mess, and then Grace is gonna mix in some of this peanut butter while I try and do this. Just gonna jiggle it in, just get it in there. I'm gonna go not all of it, because it's gonna be really a lot of ingredients going on there. Just look at that peanut butter goodness. This is the main showstopper. So as you can see, like I said, you're just gonna get this huge glob of peanut butter. So what we're gonna do is, one, you could get like down and dirty and just put your hands in it, which I might end up doing here in a second.
Or if you have a blender, an electrical blender, you could also blend it that way.
You wanna make sure it gets mixed, because you don't wanna bite into one of these things and be like, that was 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You wanna mix it up as much as you possibly can. And we also have this ice cream scooper, because when you put your hands in here, it's about to get real messy. So I'm just gonna do it because this is just not working. Grace can keep her nice,
maybe take off your jewelry off if you have any jewelry on, because you'll probably have peanut butter all on your rings. So,
or under your fingernails. So cut your fingernails, unless you just want to smell like peanut butter for a long time. So you can see it is nicely coming together.
It smells good though.
It smells like peanut butter. So it's gonna be all over your hands. You can make these as big or as small as you want, and then Grace is gonna scoop one and do it that way because I'm just making a huge mess. But these are gonna have to chill for a while. So if you are making balls, so I can still do this, see? Need that ice cream scooper. You're going to be chilling this for a while. It's gonna be like 2 hours chilling this.
This recipe's fun though. I mean, get down and dirty. You can make your little balls. Your hands are gonna get sticky, but
kids might like to do this.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just
make it a fun recipe.
Yeah, just a super fun recipe. So this is basically a good example of how Grace lives her life and what my life looks like. Hers is nice and neat, and mine's just a train wreck over here. This is mom life versus not mom life.
I don't have kids
yet. This is what happens. I'm gonna show you, just gonna show you the finished product, and you guys can laugh along with us because it could not be any more true when you see this mess that I'm creating.
I don't have children running around when I'm cooking, so I have the time to make it just into a ball.
She's got a clean hand, and she's gonna show you my creation and Grace's creation.
It's abstract. It's art is always abstract. It's never symmetrical. So your peanut butter balls will never look the same, and that's perfectly okay.
She's just making me feel better about myself.
They can be big, they can be small, they can be squares. They don't have to be balls.
It can be a pile. I'm not sure what this is.
You can make a mountain of peanut butter.
So I'm gonna let you show them what this looks like, and we'll pull this stuff out of the way.
And after this, we're gonna chill the balls so that they, the peanut butter hardens, and then everything will just stick together a little better. So once you have all those ingredients in the little ball,
mine is just, look at this, look at this. This is Grace Meredith. Grace Meredith. This is just what happens.
They taste the same. No matter the shape, those will taste just as good as those.
This is why we bring her on. So that's it. You get down and dirty, you get messy. Again, she's just pretending that her hands are dirty to make me feel better. You don't have to bake these. Super simple ingredients. They're very filling. You could even mix dried fruit in these. You could put even like protein powder, anything like that, because these are easy snacks that are high, dense in energy, which is amazing. Throw them in the refrigerator for a couple hours. You can save them for like a week, and then you can just get crazy and start like licking your hands, letting your kids just go crazy with peanut butter. But that's all we got for you. Those are our no-bake pumpkin spice chia peanut butter balls. Everything is in there. So if you would like this recipe, make sure you share it with somebody. Check out all the other workout videos we have, all of the other recipes we have, and we'll see you guys on the next one.